What are the purpose and goal of this course? So apart from learning technical concepts, such as learning about emerging storage technologies, such as flash-based memories, non-volatile memories, persistent memories, learning about the concepts of file system implementation, how do we maintain redundancy, or how do we ensure data recovery or data reliability, all these things. Apart from learning all these technical concepts, in order to learn these technical concepts, this course is definitely not a spoon, is not taught in a spoon-fed mechanism. So this course is organized in a module-based fashion, where each module you would have some reading assignments, some writing. Basically, you are working on this project throughout the course. So you would have to do some part of your work to make progress in that project. That project would include writing towards the end after you are done with your design implementation, all those components. You would have to write about what you did, write a nice research article about that. So it includes reading, writing, definitely learning from the peers. So discussion is one of the critical component in this course, where you would express your thoughts on a pressing concern, and then you would read what your peers think, comment, and give feedback to your peers, get feedback from your peers on your thought. In this course, we would learn how to read, how to interpret and understand top quality research articles. Apart from learning about the basics of different components within storage system, we are also discussing some on par, cutting edge, recent challenges or ongoing challenges that storage systems are facing. And so we would have those research articles in different modules. Different research articles are either these research articles are like very traditional old articles that have changed the way we look at storage systems, or these research articles could also be something very new, where people have been able to solve, like people are able to solve some of the emerging research problems. So we would, by reading these articles, we are learning the techniques as well as we are learning the methodology of how to think, how to solve problems. So it is very important that you demonstrate high level of independence, critical thinking, and initiative to be open to learn and solve the problem during this course or to succeed in this course. Our primary objectives in this course is definitely to identify use of different storage system components, compare the efficiency of different storage system architectures and optimize their algorithms, evaluate the correctness and efficiency of different IO stack constructed using different storage devices, learn to articulate challenges of using emerging memory and storage technologies, as well as learn to read and summarize high quality research articles. You would learn to collaborate effectively to generate new knowledge and learn to value and innovate new data storage management solutions to solve evolving problems. This course is designed revolving around these three core pillars of philosophy. First, teach to learn, understand more than memorize, and evolve with hands-on experience. Now, different components of this course are designed by using this philosophy. For example, this course is not a spoon-feeding course, as I just mentioned. It's all about you being able to learn yourself. And that's what you would be doing in different modules as we proceed. You would be reading different research articles, learning from them on your own. If you have any questions, definitely you can approach me in my office hours, email me, or as well as discuss that with your peers in this course. Second, it is critically important that the things that you learn in this course, they are not the things that you want to just put in your cache. which is basically remember for now and then forget at the next moment. And that's the reason we do not have an exam in this course where you would just read the night before exam, dump everything you have in your temporary memory on the day of exam and forget about things. That's not the goal. But rather in this course, we look towards learning the concepts by questioning the reasons behind those concepts, thinking it from the perception of problem solver, understanding the problem, understanding the solutions, the challenges of solutions, why the solution was difficult enough to come up with, all these critical aspects. And then once you understand the core and heart of any concept, you don't have to make any additional efforts to memorize that. It's just there because you understood that. You don't even have to memorize that. You remember that forever. Third, as we have project, which is a very critical component of this project that builds on this idea of that you can learn up to some extent by reading, but at the end, only when you get your hands dirty, that's when you actually know how challenging doing anything important is.